Okay, this is UC3 Rate question 3. The graph below shows the total number of cards, machines A and B, here A and B, printed from the start. Both machines started printing at the same time. So you can see that it's a straight line graph. So for A, in 5 minutes, so we are looking at how many more cards did B print than A in 5 minutes. So you can see that for A, you can easily match 5 minutes, and that's 40 cards. But for B, there is no 5 minutes that's on this particular scale. So if you want to look at 5 minutes, it'll be somewhere in the middle, and then it's in the middle, so it's not advisable for us to actually read it off the middle of a grid. So what we do is we actually use a multiple of 5, which is 10 minutes, and then we notice that in 10 minutes you will actually print machine B prints 150 cards. So for machine B, in 10 minutes it prints 150. So in 5 minutes it will print 75. As for A, in 5 minutes it prints 40 cards. Therefore, we'll take the difference of 75 and 40, and machine B prints 35 more cards than machine A in 5 minutes. Okay. For part B, both machines did not change their rate of printing throughout. When A had printed 200 cards, how many cards had B printed? So since they didn't change their printing speed, so they are trying to get you to extrapolate for 200 cards. So we also noticed that for A, we'll see, can we see 200 from the graph? Yes, we can. So for part B, we see that at 200 cards, it is actually 25 minutes. Okay? So we'll also take note that at 25 minutes, and this is A, in 25 minutes, A would have printed 200 cards. So we're interested to know for 25 minutes, how many cards would B have printed? So definitely we can't see 200 cards over here. More like the graph will have extended beyond the graph. So we will take this 5 minutes in part A over here to find the rate. So for B, we noted that for 5 minutes, it would have printed 75 cards. So for 25 minutes, it would have printed 75 times 5, which is 350, 375 cards, 375 cards. Therefore, B would have printed 375 cards. That's all.